Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through creating the What People on the Internet Talk About flow from scratch. If you're curious about what this flow does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's dive in by adding our first component, the tool calling agent. This will be the core of our flow, gathering and processing data from online platforms to offer a summary of topics frequently associated with your input keyword. We'll also integrate chat history to ensure the chatbot keeps track of the conversation and doesn't miss any context. After that, we need to craft an effective prompt for our agent, which you can find in the description or see on the screen. Next, we'll add the Google Search Retriever component, which allows the agent to scan relevant forums, social media, and online discussions. We should also add the URL retriever in order to extract the data from the links we get from our Google Search component. Once everything is set up, connect the agent to the output and start using the chatbot. That's it. Your What People on the Internet Talk About flow is ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or drop a comment. As always, thank you for watching.